Okay, Win asks, is there anything different between stay cool, keep calm, and calm down? Okay, so stay cool and keep calm, calm down. They're all synonyms, really. Stay cool, keep calm, calm down. It just all means relax. Don't be so angry, don't be so frustrated, don't be so agitated. Stay cool. Look, dude, just calm down. Stay cool, keep calm. I would use them all. They're interchangeable. You can switch in one, you can switch out the other. I would probably say calm down if the person was incredibly enraged at that moment. They need to reduce that, and that's why we're using the phrasal verb with the preposition after it, down. Calm down. Okay, calm down. Whereas keep calm, you could probably use, and the same with stay cool, which effectively means keep cool, remain calm, remain cool. These are all synonyms. You guys may not be angry already. You may not be afraid already. And you can just say, okay, something's about to happen, guys, but keep calm, but stay cool, but remain calm, but remain cool. Okay, so that would be like, you could use those two when something hasn't happened yet, but it may, you know, the plane's about to crash. You could say, okay, guys, the plane's come down, but keep calm. It's going to happen in about a minute, 2 minutes. It hasn't happened yet, but keep calm. Whereas if the plane was going down, you could say, everyone, calm down, you know, because they're freaking out, they're scared. But you could also use keep calm, stay cool. So they're all effectively synonyms.